I also want to say that I like the not just the 3 Plus for GoPro, but basically any of, well, the 3 Plus, those ones are my favorite because I think that they're the best for skateboarding. They're the best for basically any like extreme sports or anything like that. They are just all around the best quality camera you can get for doing anything. You can bash them around, you can beat them, whatever you want to do. The GoPro was going to be able to handle it. The newer ones are okay. Like I saw that the Hero 7 and stuff. I don't know, they're just a little bit too small. They're not like they used to make them with the 3s anymore, right? So, but that's okay. So I got the one I want. That's all I need. All right, so gonna go back and get the frame on here now after I get a couple more screws in. Screws for the logic board here. No. Oh, no, wrong spot. It goes here, does it? Okay. One way to find out if you're putting it in the right spot is just double check where your screw holes are. There's just not there. So, just want to make darn sure that I'm doing that right. There we go. Screws are going back where they came out of, because there are certain screws that if it's not put in the exact right spot, it could cause an issue with, like, say, a ground or something like that. Not very often will it make it to a point where you won't be able to use the device, or it won't function properly, but it does happen. So if you're keeping track of where all your screws are going, even if there's 30 or 40 of them in there, you won't have that problem because you'll know where everything goes, and then you don't have to worry about it. So. Getting there, got a few more screws left. Alright, now let's see what got. Oh, look at that. It's already got tape on it. How beautiful is that? I like this seller already. He's very good. Very, very nice guy to make sure that my product was already somewhat assembled as it's gonna get. Now, when you're doing this, try to keep your screen as minty as possible, but always test your screen before you go and install it, because if it's not working before you test it, or if it's not working and then you install it, and when you go to turn it on, it's already been installed and it's not working properly, well, then you're in another problem, because you're 9 times out of 10, whoever you purchased the screen off of is not going to refund it for you because you've already installed it, right? So fix that by doing a simple test. If it ever turns on, which it should. I just had it on. That also was kind of dying. I couldn't really tell because the LCD was damaged. Oh no. See, and this is why you test the screen, because if it's not working, then what do you do? Especially if it's already installed. You're hooped. And you gotta take it all apart again, and you're risk damaging your brand new display. I don't think it's my display that's not working now, because I did just have it powered on. Exact same display. Huh. Let's see here. A little bit of troubleshooting now. This is fun. This is good for my first repair video. I like it. The challenge. That's what I like. That's what I really like, actually. A challenge. What's the point of waking up if you aren't going to challenge yourself, right? So here we go. Let's see here. Yeah, if it's not gonna turn on right away, I'm just gonna end the video now, and then we'll wait for it to turn. get a little bit more power so that we can test sensitivity, because if we don't test sensitivity on it, LCD might be working, but then I go and test the sensitivity and it's all installed, might not work, right? So if we get into that situation, then we're, like I was describing earlier, in a situation where you have an installed display, but you got to take it off again, and then you're hooped. Especially with your seller, because he's more than likely not going to want to take the screen back after it's been all torn apart off of being installed, right? They don't really like that. But so for now, yeah, we're just going to turn it off, stop the video here. Hope this one was somewhat educational. I will continue on the video with the video once I get it turned on and a little bit of power to it. But yeah, hopefully this is a little bit educational for you guys, and we'll keep on doing what we do here down at Rocco Pro Footy's main shop here. Hope you guys like it. Have a good day.